Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the tine row holder in the Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new tine row holder. This tine row holder works as a hinge for the tine row. It allows it to change position from vertical to horizontal and back in order to adapt the dish rack to the load. The main reason to replace the tine row holder is if it's broken or is simply missing. To get to the part, we need to open the door. We're going to pull out the lower dish rack and simply pull the silverware basket up. Now I'm going to remove the lower dish rack and put it on a workable surface. Alright, let's place it on the countertop. So I'm going to press down on this area in the middle of this tine row, and it's going to pop off. This is the old tine row holder next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I'm going to bring in a new tine row holder. I'm going to put it underneath here, over like that. Lift it up, bring the tine row, and I'm going to push it up, and it's locked. All right, I'm going to install the lower dish rack. Place the silverware basket in, and we're going to slide it in. And we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.